Welcome to Planter Garden TV. These are some pigeon peas. Pigeon peas. You see how tall them peas is? This one here is naturally 9 feet tall. The pigeon peas 9 feet tall, and it now start to blossom. This one also. This one is about 8 and it now start blossom. Yeah. So just giving you guys a little update about my pigeon peas. If you see that, you're gonna see that's blossom it pushing out right there. Yeah. This one too. And this one, this is a beans. It have a lot inside, so I'm just leaving them to get dry, and then I'll pick them. The weather is really changing now. That's the banana tree. This is a sorrel tree, but it dried down because of the weather. This is blossom also from the same pigeon peas. These are some small ones. I got to come back and chop them up with some stick. But look this one. And this one, you see how it bending over, but it blossom in at the same time. These are my okra. They dry, so I'm just gonna pick them and save the seed. Don't look at the ground right now. What I do, I just leave these and just allow them to dry. And when the winter come back, when the summer come back, everything is rotten, so I just dig them up and mix with the dirt and plant. Okay, see how much sweet pepper these things are bearing? It's like these sweet pepper bear non-stop. When I say non-stop, I'm telling you non-stop. We have some there. This is another peas, pigeon peas. Yeah, at this time I do not clear the ground. Look at this one here. Look how much it have there. Come down here, swinging up inside here. And this is one tree you're talking about. This one tree have like 15 sweet pepper on top of it right now. Look this one again. Look the amount there. Look the amount. Once you take care of your plant, you ain't got to worry about harvesting, I'm telling you. This is my banana pepper. Look over here. And this is done in November right now. But I'm just praying for the weather to stand up, that they can, all those small ones could come mature. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.